This is a Super Nintendo ROM Super Magicom. It's the digital game cartridge. You need an SNES emulator like SNES9x to play it. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's play. I'm going to show you how the pros do it. This involves a smart application of one premier SMC file inspection tool that minimizes complexity across many different files. The SMC extension refers to a ROM image file representing data from a Super Nintendo Entertainment System cartridge. It allows users to play classic games via emulation software by storing the original game code and graphics. These files typically provide information on emulator configuration, ROM loading, and various troubleshooting steps. SMC files, when used as SNES Emulator Guides, are typically formatted as plain text or rich text documents. They may include sections on emulator configuration, ROM compatibility, and common issues. The content is designed to be easily readable and understandable for users of varying technical skill levels. For managing SMC files, the best dedicated software is Text Editor / PDF Viewer from Snes9x team. The file requires specific permissions and handlers that Windows does not easily configure. Windows cannot interpret animation, shader, or resource data, so proper handling demands dedicated utilities. We are going to check every application on the list. Right-click the SMC file and hit Open With. Test Text Editor, PDF Viewer if present. If it fails, select another program. Remember, trial and error is expected. When an SMC file fails to open, it is usually for a basic reason. The good news is that file opening failures usually follow a pattern. You have one of three problems. I put together a short list showing the cause and the simple check. First, use Snes9x Emulator. Download and open the Snes9x Emulator, then use the Load ROM menu to select and play the game file. Next, use ZSNES Emulator. Alternatively, use the ZSNES Emulator to open the file if it is a Super Nintendo game image. Finally, check with ROM utility. Use a ROM utility tool to verify the file header if the emulator fails to recognize the game. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. To help resolve this, you might consider a tool with autonomous file reading capability that is designed to look past the extension name and inspect the internal data structure directly. Since the manual approaches didn't work for the file, the smart move is to use FileMagick, which provides the one-click solution you need. Available at filemagic.com. Thank you for being a subscriber. If you're new here, tap that button for more specific file format guides.